Hey there, food lovers! Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey that will ignite your senses and elevate your cooking game? Welcome back to Healthy Lifestyle, where delicious meets nutritious. Today we have something truly special lined up for you. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Spanish Chorizo. This beloved Spanish sausage is known for its rich, smoky flavor and vibrant red color, thanks to the generous use of paprika. Get ready for a flavor explosion. We'll explore the unique blend of spices that give chorizo its distinctive taste, including garlic, oregano, and of course, that all-important paprika. We'll be crafting our own fresh chorizo from scratch. It's a fun and rewarding process that allows you to control the ingredients and customize the flavors to your liking. Then, we'll use it to create a healthy and satisfying sandwich. Imagine biting into a sandwich where every ingredient is fresh and bursting with flavor, from the homemade chorizo to the crisp vegetables and hearty bread. Are you excited? Let's get started. Cooking at home can be a joyful and fulfilling experience, especially when you're making something as delicious as chorizo. This culinary adventure will tantalize your taste buds and introduce you to the joys of homemade chorizo. The sizzling sound, the mouth-watering aroma, and the first bite will make all your efforts worthwhile. It's easier than you think, I promise. With a few simple steps, you'll be able to create chorizo that rivals any store-bought version. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you made it yourself. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, this recipe is accessible and fun. Let's dive in and make some delicious memories together. Before we jump into our recipe, let's quickly talk about the two main types of Spanish chorizo: dry-cured and fresh. Dry-cured chorizo, similar to salami, is aged and enjoyed sliced. It adds a burst of flavor to cheese boards or tapas. On the other hand, fresh chorizo is uncooked and needs to be cooked before eating. It's incredibly versatile and forms the heart of our recipe today. We'll be using fresh chorizo to create our healthy and delicious sandwich. The key to amazing fresh chorizo lies in the quality of your ingredients. We'll be using a blend of ground pork, smoked paprika, garlic, and other spices to create a chorizo bursting with flavor. Don't be intimidated by the ingredient list. These simple ingredients, when combined, create a culinary masterpiece. Remember, the fresher the ingredients, the more flavorful your chorizo will be. Now let's put those ingredients to work and create our fresh chorizo. Making chorizo at home is not only rewarding, but also allows you to control the quality and flavor of the ingredients. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your chorizo turns out perfect every time. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need ground pork, smoked paprika, garlic, oregano, salt, and pepper. These ingredients are the foundation of your chorizo, providing that rich, smoky flavor and aromatic spice that chorizo is known for. Make sure your ground pork is fresh and has a good balance of fat to ensure a juicy and flavorful result. 1. In a large bowl, combine the ground pork, smoked paprika, garlic, oregano, salt, and pepper. It's important to measure your spices accurately to maintain the balance of flavors. 2. Mix well using your hands, ensuring the spices are evenly distributed throughout the meat. This step is crucial as it ensures every bite of your chorizo is packed with flavor. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. The more you mix, the better the flavors will meld together. 3. Once combined, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. This resting period is essential as it gives the spices time to infuse the meat, enhancing the overall taste of your chorizo. If you have more time, you can let it sit for a few hours or even overnight for a more intense flavor. 4. After chilling, shape the chorizo mixture into patties or use it as desired in your recipes. You can form it into patties for grilling, stuff it into casings for traditional sausages, or crumble it for use in tacos, soups, and more. The versatility of chorizo makes it a fantastic addition to many dishes. That's it. You've just made your own fresh chorizo. Homemade chorizo is not only delicious, but also free from preservatives and artificial additives. Enjoy the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's in your food and the pride of having made it yourself. Now let's use it to create a healthy and delicious sandwich. Start with whole grain bread, add some fresh greens, a slice of tomato, and a dollop of your favorite sauce. Top it with your homemade chorizo patty, and you have a nutritious and flavorful meal. The smoky, spicy chorizo pairs perfectly with the fresh, crisp vegetables, creating a balanced and satisfying sandwich. Enjoy your homemade chorizo in a variety of dishes and savor the rich, authentic flavors you've created. Our fresh chorizo is the star of this simple yet incredibly flavorful sandwich. We'll be pairing it with crunchy vegetables and a light spread for a truly satisfying meal. This sandwich is perfect for lunch, a quick dinner, or even a tasty snack. It's packed with protein, fiber, and flavor, making it a guilt-free indulgence. Building your sandwich masterpiece ingredients at a glance. For our healthy chorizo sandwich, you'll need freshly baked whole wheat bread, your homemade chorizo patties, slices of juicy tomato, crisp lettuce leaves, creamy avocado, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. These simple ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors and textures. Remember, you can customize your sandwich with your favorite toppings. Layer by Delicious Layer, your sandwich assembly guide. Let's assemble our sandwich. Today, we're going to create a mouth-watering, healthy chorizo sandwich that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Follow along as we take you through each step to build this delightful treat. Start by lightly toasting your whole wheat bread. Toasting the bread not only gives it a nice crunch, but also enhances the flavor, providing a sturdy base for all the delicious ingredients we're about to add. Make sure the bread is golden brown and crispy, but not burnt. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the perfect sandwich. Spread a generous layer of Greek yogurt on one slice of bread. Greek yogurt is a fantastic alternative to mayonnaise, offering a creamy texture with a tangy flavor, and it's packed with protein and probiotics. This not only makes your sandwich healthier, but also adds a unique taste that complements the other ingredients beautifully. Top with fresh lettuce leaves, juicy tomato slices, and creamy avocado. The lettuce adds a refreshing crunch, the tomatoes bring a burst of juiciness, and the avocado provides a rich, buttery texture. These fresh vegetables not only enhance the flavor, but also add essential nutrients and vitamins, making your sandwich both delicious and nutritious. Now, add your star ingredient, the chorizo patties. These spicy, flavorful patties are the heart of our sandwich. Chorizo, with its robust and smoky flavor, pairs perfectly with the creamy avocado and tangy Greek yogurt. Make sure the patties are cooked to perfection, with a slight crisp on the outside and juicy on the inside. Finally, place the other slice of bread on top, gently pressing down to hold all the ingredients together. This step ensures that every bite is a perfect blend of flavors and textures. You can cut the sandwich in half for easier handling or leave it whole if you prefer, and your healthy chorizo sandwich is ready to be devoured. There you have it, a perfect balance of flavors and textures, all wrapped up in a delicious, nutritious package. This sandwich is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a wholesome meal that you can feel good about eating. A delicious and healthy chorizo sandwich made with your very own homemade chorizo. Enjoy this delightful creation as a quick lunch, a satisfying dinner, or even a hearty snack. Share it with friends and family, and watch as they marvel at your sandwich-making skills. Happy eating! Join the J Healthy Lifestyle family. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful journey. I hope you enjoyed making this delicious and healthy chorizo sandwich as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to J Healthy Lifestyle for more easy and healthy recipes. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this recipe and what other healthy recipes you'd like to see on the channel. Until next time, happy cooking. Disclaimer: this video is for entertainment purposes only. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or exercise routine.